Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. Got a train coming. Let's check it out. We're not sure if it's a grain hopper or it's a light power. If it's a grain hopper, they're still going on. If it's light powered, they're done. Still hear the bell. Looks like they're done because it's a light power. But we got a light power train. No, I think there's a light power train might be packing up that tanker. Might get a really short, possibly a tanker train. We're actually going to go past that tanker.
Maybe it is the other Tom.
We'll have to check the vehicle. We'll have to check the vehicles in a few minutes. I don't know who's running this thing today. I don't know if it's going to be a Chris or this is going to be the other Tom. I got train videos with the other Tom before, but...
You want to head over to Perry?
We're going to get over to the Perry Street, but we're going to get off and see what's going on, and we'll talk to you guys on the next train. Talk to you later.